If you're a tow truck driver, then you know quality straps matter. Sometimes the most popular or most expensive brands are not always the best. For example, this is a popular brand, and after a few months of using it, this is what's happening. So I decided to look into a few different types of straps, and I wanted to see how they are made and compare a few of them to each other, and came across this particular one called All Grip Diamond Weave 8-point tie down. It feels nice and soft, but it's also heavy duty. It is made out of polyester and can hold up to most abrasions due to the diamond weave pattern. I'm not sponsored or paid anything from All Grip. I bought this tie down with my own money. It cost me about $221, and I will put the link in the description to the website where I bought this tie down. I'm not trying to brag too much about this 8-point tie down because this is the first week I've had to use it. The only thing I could say compared to all the ones that I've used, it does feel better. The ratchet feels different from the other ones I've used. It feels more heavy duty, and it feels really good in the hand also. The handle feels really nice. The only thing I would advise is when you first get it, maybe lubricate the teeth with some lubrication, and that's pretty much about it. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks or months, because currently I'm using one of them on the truck, and we're gonna put these to the test, and we're gonna see how they hold up compared to the other ones I've had. And on the strap, it says it could hold up to 3,335 pounds. Imagine you have 4 of these straps, 1 on each tire. The car is going nowhere. So again, like I said, we're gonna put it to the test in the next couple of weeks and months, and we'll see how it holds up. If it kind of disintegrate like the other one, where the sides came apart, this one looks like it has some stitches on the sides, so I'm assuming it's gonna hold up a little better. So we'll see. But so far, so good. I kind of like this one better than all the ones I've ever had. So again, I will put the link in the description to the website. I actually bought it from Zip. I'm gonna put the link in the description to the website. And if you guys want to get those straps and try it out. And again, they come in 2 colors. It has an orange color, which is what I have, and it also has a green color. So you could either get the orange, which I think is really nice. You could see it from afar, and you can get the green color as well. So check it out, guys, and let me know what you think. If you have a different set of straps that you use on your truck that you think it's better, or you've used for a couple of years and you think it's better, you can also leave a comment, and I will check it out. Thank you for watching, guys, as always.